A full field of 16 is set for the Mouttet Mile following the post position draw held on Tuesday evening at the Rock Hotel in downtown Kingston. The field includes the likes of defending champion Atomica, Derby winner Ability, the 1,000 and 2,000 Guineas winners, all vying for a purse of US $150,000, the richest purse in the English-speaking Caribbean. Denise Walters was there and filed this report.
Palpable anticipation and feverish excitement is building for the second running of the Mouttet Mile, as it promises horses domiciled overseas as well as international jockeys, and they're set to add to the competitiveness and raise the stakes of the $23 million purse this Saturday at Caymanas Park. One of two international riders is Japanese-born, Canadian-based Daisuke Fukumoto, who will partner Richard Azan's Perfect Brew. Perfect Brew was drawn in post position 13.
My friend from Jamaica, but he's riding in Canada right now, the Shane Ellis. He arranged to come here, So, he gave me nice horse, and owner trainer gave me opportunity, agent. Then,
I really didn't have a rider for Perfect Brew, and I saw it was advertised that he was coming. So I quickly went to the agent who was going to represent him and asked him if he would ride my horse. And he said yes, and that's where it is.
Azan also has 2,000 Guineas winner Mojito, who will run from gate 9 with the jockey Paul Country Francis aboard.
This is, I would say, maybe the most competitive race of the year. We're running against all the best horses. Everybody would like to win because it's an attractive purse. I can't make any predictions. I'm only hoping for the best.
Horse of the Year Atomica, to be ridden by Dane Dawkins, will be coming from post 10.
Oh, I love the draw. A lot of time to get myself going. She's going to boil up because she's that type of horse. She's very competitive and she likes to be up there with the speed. So I expect her to be close enough where she has a good, dangerous kick in the last.
Atomica is a stablemate, and last year's Mouttet Mile runner-up Duke is set to run from gate 11 with the oldest Derby-winning jockey at Caymanas Park, Alain Bongo John Mirage, astride.
He's a good boy and he tries every time. So let's see what he does this year.
Sometimes big races is not the best horse win. It's how the race run and the luck that you get, because into a race like this, you have to, if everything goes right, then you have a very good chance.
Alfred Brown's informed blue vinyl with Radish Sneaky Fox Roman aboard will run from gate 2.
Well, I love his draw, to be honest with you, because my plan is perfect for the draw. I have to sit behind the speed to have a chance, so I really love the draw.
Dale Murphy's importee Runaway Algo will have Javanil Patterson in the saddle. Runaway Algo was drawn in post position 8.
Well, I like the draw. You mentioned the draw. I like the draw. I like the number 8 post position. His chances are as good as any right now. Early on this year, he beat quite a few of the fancied runners. You know them.
Horses domiciled overseas, Rohan Crichton's Rough Entry, who will have French-born American-based Julian Leperoux riding, and they will come from 15. Meanwhile, Howard Jagai's American Tap, to be ridden by Tevin Foster, and Donovan Hutchinson's Easy as ABC, with the 5-time champion jockey Trevor Slicer Simpson aboard, were drawn in 14 and 6 respectively. Patrick Lynch's Derby winner Ability will be ridden by apprentice Jordan Barrett from gate 16. Runner-up Horse of the Year Mahogany, conditioned by Ian Passad, will run from gate 4 with Robert Hardball Halidine, the jockey. Champion trainer Jason DaCosta has 4 runners. Champion jockey-elect apprentice Ryan Lewis will be aboard She's My Destiny. There's also 1,000 Guineas winner Mamma Mia, I Am Fred, and another importee Is That a Fact, and they will come from 1, 3, 5, and 7 respectively. While Fitzroy Gillespie's Money Miser was drawn in 12. I am Denise Walters reporting from the Rock Hotel in downtown Kingston for TVJ Sports.